A very good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Yes? Dear students, I Poonam Tripathi, your English teacher, welcome you all to our today's class. Dear children, today we will see a chapter number 5 of your MCB, and the name of the chapter is The Adventures of Little Owl. Right? Are you ready, everybody? So come on, open your book, and the page number is, this is your page number 26, right? Everybody, this is your page number 26, okay? And in this chapter, we are going to learn about Thomas Alva Edison. Yes, I hope you know about him very well, and he is well known for his inventions. Yes, and the most popular invention of Thomas Alva Edison is, what is that? That is electric light, the phonograph, and the moving picture. Yes, so everybody, are you ready to learn about him? Yes, okay, so let's start now. Okay, everybody get ready. Yes, so students, in this chapter we'll talk about Thomas Alva Edison and his inventions, right? And about his upbringings, about his family also we will see. Yes, okay. And what else we are going to do, students? We will learn these words, these new words and its meaning. All right. So before beginning the chapter, first we will deal with these words, so that when I read these lines, okay, it will be clear to you and there should be no confusion, right? So everybody just see. The first word is fragile, and the meaning is weak and likely to become ill. All right. The second is adult, confused, not able to think clearly. Right? This word means confused, not able to think clearly. Third is withdraw, and this is take back. Withdraw means take back. Educate, meaning is teach. To educate someone means to teach someone. Curiosity, and the meaning is strong wish to know something. Right? Strong wish to know something. All right. What is given the next? Daring. This is courage. Okay. Courage. Daring means courage. Anxious. This is feeling worried. Feeling worried. Okay. Now next is barn, and this is a large farm building to store grain and keep animals in. A large farm building to store grain and keep animals in. Okay? Hatched, made a young bird come out of the egg. Hatching, you know. Now refined. And what is the meaning? Well educated and having a high position in society. Right? Refined means well educated people. Right? This is voraciously, and the meaning is regularly and in large quantities. Regularly and in large quantities. Grasp, understanding. Grasp means understanding, right? So these were the words and its meaning. Okay. Now let's start this chapter. Let's see. Thomas Alva Edison is one of the best known inventors in history. Inventors means the one who invents. Okay. He was the youngest of the 7 children of his parents, and everyone called him Owl. Yes. So what he was the youngest of 7 children of his parents. ठीक है. तो ये कितने भाई बहन थे? 7. 7th of youngest of the 7 children of his parents, and everyone called him all. Okay, now टोटल कितने बच्चे थे इनके पेरेंट्स के? 7. ठीक है, और ये सबसे छोटे, यंगेस्ट. Young All was a weak and fragile child with an unusually large head. ठीक है, so क्या दिया हुआ है? All was a weak and fragile child. बहुत ही कमज़ोर थे. Weak and likely to become ill. ऐसा लगता था कि अभी बीमार हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. For some years he was not allowed to go because of poor health. Right? For some years he was not allowed to go to school. कुछ सालों तक उन्हें स्कूल नहीं जाने दिया गया. क्यों? क्योंकि उनकी हेल्थ ठीक नहीं रहती थी. बहुत पुअर हेल्थ थी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट. All was poor at studies. Once a teacher said in front of his mother that he was adult. And what does it mean? Confused, not able to think clearly. Okay? His mother was a teacher herself. She decided to withdraw from school and educate him at school. So, what happened? His teacher, the teacher said that he is always confused. He's not able to think clearly, right? So, Thomas' mother, she was a teacher, right? She decided to withdraw him. उन्होंने क्या डिसाइड किया? स्कूल से निकाल लेने के लिए डिसाइड किया. And that's what she did. Next. As a boy, Edison's curiosity and daring led him into unusual adventures. Curiosity किसी चीज को जानने के लिए उत्सुकता. At the age of 6, he went missing one day. After an anxious search, his father found him sitting in a nest he had made in the barn. क्या हुआ? एक दिन वो मिल नहीं रहे थे. So everybody was looking for him. And what his father saw? He found him sitting in the nest he had made in the barn. And what is the meaning of barn? A large farm building to store grain and keeps animals in. ठीक है, जहाँ पे एनिमल्स को हम लोग रखते हैं, या फिर ये देख रहे हो आप लोग सैक, इसमें जहाँ अनाज रखे जाते हैं या फिर एनिमल्स रखे जाते हैं. ठीक है. The nest was filled with goose eggs and hen's eggs he had collected. Edison had noted the way a goose hatched eggs by sitting on them, and he wanted to try it out himself. क्या हुआ? Edison, what he was doing, he sat on the nest and he was trying to hatch eggs. क्योंकि उन्होंने eggs को hatch करते हुए देखा था. So he was also trying. Okay? Okay. Now let's see the next. Though Edison did not attend school regularly, वो तो school regularly नहीं जाते थे, है ना? He used to read every book in his reach. लेकिन जो भी book उनको मिलती थी वो उसको पढ़ते थे. His parents were educated and refined people. Refined, you know, refined means well educated and having a high position in society, right? Well educated and having a high position in society. So his parents were refined people. Okay, they were very educated. They were very well educated people with a good library at home. Good library at home means because they were educated people, so they had many books at home. He read voraciously mostly books on history and science. और ये कौन सी बुक्स पढ़ते थे? जो बुक्स हिस्ट्री और साइंस पे होती थी, ज़्यादातर ये बुक्स पढ़ते थे. ठीक है. He even tried reading scientific books that were beyond the grasp of a child. और उन्होंने वो साइंटिफिक बुक्स को भी पढ़ने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट होता था, जो यूजुअली एक छोटे बच्चे के पावर से बाहर होता है, ग्रास्पिंग पावर से बाहर होता है. बट ही यूज्ड टू रीड दोज बुक्स. He was very fond of reading books. So whatever books he was getting, he was reading it. Okay? So students, this was all about today's class. What we have seen, what we have learned these new word meaning, yes, And what we have learned about Thomas Alva Edison? That he had poor health. Yeah? Yes? In the childhood. Okay. Then what happened? And he was not good in studies. So one day his teacher told his mother that he's always confused and he's not able to think clearly. And because she said like this, so the mother, she decided to withdraw the child, and she said that she herself will teach the child. Later on what happened? Because his parents, they were learned people, they had many books at home. So Thomas Alva Edison, what he was doing, he was very fond of reading the books, and he always read those books, even the scientific books and mostly the history and science books, right? And one day what he did, he tried to hatch eggs because he had seen it, the hens and these goose to hatch eggs. So he was also thinking that he can also do such things. So he also tried one day. So his curiosity made him to do such things. Yes, so he had this nature. He had a curious nature. He wanted to know everything, and for this he was reading those books, and he always tried to do some unusual adventures, right? Okay, so students, I hope that you have gone through this page and you understood here. Yeah, what is your homework then? Students, you will make cover page and you will do these word meaning in the notebook, in your MCB notebook, and your writing should be very neat and tidy. All right? Okay, so that's all for today, students, and in the next class we will see the next page, okay, and we will go through it. So till that time, take care and thanks for watching.